Hello, fellow traders. Are you ready to elevate your trading game and conquer the market? You have just landed to your ultimate destination for expert trading insights and strategies. In today's fast-paced market, having the right tools is crucial, and that's where we come in. We present to you an innovative breakthrough indicator that will help you scale up your trading account. This indicator is an ultimate trading companion designed to enhance your decision-making process. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to accuracy. In this video, we'll unravel the power of our cutting-edge indicator, providing you with insights, tips, and real-life examples. Prepare to revolutionize your trading strategy. Let's dive deep into the world of indicator and discover how limited fish indicator can transform the way you trade. Stay tuned, and let's unlock the future of trading together. Before you fasten your seatbelts, as we embark on this journey, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. The indicator that we will be discussing is called the Limited Fish Transform. The Limited Fisher Transform is a technical indicator created by Fetero that compresses the values of the Fisher Transform indicator between 0 and 100. Allowing us to define overbought and oversold zones. These zones are the same for every time frame and trading pair, just like RSI. Before we discuss more about this indicator, let's add it to the chart. And to do that, we are going to navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for Limited Fish. Select Limited Fish Transform created by Fetero. Looking at the indicator, you will see that it prints buy and sell label. Not only that, but you will see a line on top. This line is the 80 level. It indicates overbought, and on the low of the indicator, you will see another line. This line is the 20 level. It indicates oversold. And between the 80 level and 20 level, you will see a pink line. This is the 50 level. And after that, you will see another two line, which is blue and orange in color. This line are called the plots. How this indicator works is that when the plots are above the 50 level, this indicates uptrend, and if they reaches the 80 level and the blue plot cross below the orange plot, they will print a sell label, indicating that price has been overbought. And when the plots are below the 50 level, this indicate downtrend, and if they reaches the 20 level and the blue plot cross above the orange plot, they will print a buy label, indicating that price has been oversold. However, understanding the component of this indicator, then we go over to its setting to set it so that it will fit the strategy that we are discussing on. There on the style setting, we are going to uncheck the background color and also uncheck the bar color. Lastly, uncheck the label and press OK. After this, let's see how to enter trade using this indicator. For us to enter a buy trade using this indicator, first you need to make sure that the plots are on the 20 level, indicating oversold condition. Second, you are going to wait to see the blue plot crossing above the orange plot. This will tell us that price is trying to reverse. Thirdly, you are going to check the trend of the market. If price was previously on a downtrend, then you are going to wait for a reversal pattern to enter a trade. And looking here, you will see that price was previously on downtrend, and you will see that this bullish candle breaks above the previous lower high, creating a new high. This changed the downtrend to uptrend. Then you can mark out the lower low that price has broken. After that, this is when you can enter a trade. You can enter immediately after the close of the candle that break the lower high. But remember that entering a trade like this is too risky. Then we are going to wait for price to retest the zone that you marked out before you can enter a trade. Seeing that price has retested the level, then you can enter a trade setting your stop loss below the low and target the high. And let your trade run till take profit. To enter a sell trade, you need to make sure that the plots has approached the 80 level, and looking at the indicator you will see that the plots has already approached the 80 level, but the blue plot has crossed below the orange plot, indicating that price has been overbought. And looking at price, you will see that it was previously an uptrend. And here, you will see that it has created double top. Then you mark it out. And looking at the second leg of the double top, you will see that it has created a very good bearish engulfing candle. Then, with this, you can enter a trade immediately after the close of the bearish engulfing candle, setting your stop loss above the double top zone you marked out and targeting the low, and leave your position run till take profit. You know that using only this indicator without any other confluence can provide a lot of false signals. And to add confluence, this is when we add another indicator that will help us identify trend. Then we navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for Supertrend MTF Heiken Ashi. Select the one created by Lonesome Blue. This indicator is used to identify trend of the market. But before we discuss how this indicator works, let's set it for it to fit the strategy that we are discussing. Then we go over to the indicator setting. There on the input setting, set the ATR factor to 4 and set the ATR period to 10. And then go to the style setting. There uncheck the Supertrend HEF and also Supertrend HEF up and down. After that, press OK. How this indicator works is that when the trend is on uptrend, the indicator will be green in color, trading below the price, and when the price is on downtrend, the indicator will be red in color, trading above the price. And also this indicator can serve as a support and resistance to price. For instance, when price touched the indicator here, you can see as it reversed. Understanding this, let's see how we can enter trade combining these indicators. Looking at the first indicator, you will see that the plot has approached the 20 level, indicating that price been oversold. And checking closely, you will see that the blue plot has crossed above the orange plot, indicating that price is likely to reverse. Then you check the super trend to see what it is doing, and on checking it, you will see that it is green in color, indicating uptrend. And looking closely, you will see the price has rejected it, giving you a very good reversal pattern. Then with this confluences, you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss below the low and targeting the nearest high. As you can see the trade play out nicely. Let's see how to enter a sell trade. Looking at the first indicator, you will see that the plot has approached the 80 level, indicating that price been oversold. And checking closely, you will see that the blue plot has crossed below the orange plot, indicating that price is likely to reverse. Then you check the super trend to see what it is doing, and on checking it, you will see that it is red in color, indicating downtrend. And looking closely, you will see the price has rejected it, giving you a very good reversal pattern. And looking at price, you will see that it is creating double top. Then with this confluences, you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss above the high and targeting the nearest low. As you can see the trade play out nicely. As we have come to the end of this video, if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. Also remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.